Let's take a look at madCAM and how to work with stock material, user-defined stock material in simultaneous 4-axis. Here we have a model and we have created stock material and some cap surfaces. So if we would like to start machine this, we select the model for madCAM and we select the cutter for the roughing. We could pick a 6mm flat and 0.5mm stock to leave. We show stock material, select the stock, and then we select the rotary axis and spindle axis, and then it's just to create the roughing toolpath. Click OK. And there we have the roughing toolpath. We can see that if we hide the stock material, we can see it has created a pocketing rough toolpath, and it will only rough where it could find material from our stock model. And the stock model is active as long as we don't reselect the model or select a new stock model. So we can hide the toolpath, and then we can select a 3mm ball end, and we can create a Z level finishing toolpath. And there we have the simultaneous 4-axis Z level finishing toolpath. Now we used the cap surfaces, so madCAM didn't create any toolpaths down in this cavity. So now we can machine those afterwards, and it's just to hide the cap surfaces, reselect the model. We can machine with a 3mm cutter, and we can show the cap surfaces, and we can select one cap surface as our stock material. The stock material can be solids and surfaces or polysurfaces. Now we can select rotor axis and spindle axis and create a roughing toolpath. And we can see it will only machine where it could find material from our stock model surface. So we can select stock material on this side and create a roughing toolpath. And there we have the roughing toolpath on the other side. And now we can simulate everything together. We see it starts to create the roughing. And the Z level finishing toolpath. and the roughing toolpath, and the roughing on the other side. And that's how it works when using user-defined stock models in madCAM with simultaneous 4-axis. Thank you very much.